Welcome to H.E. McCracken. I am so proud to present H.E. McCracken to you today. We have so many great offerings for our students, things that include arts and basic curriculum, athletics, and many more.
H.E. McCracken Middle School has the distinction of being a certified ABC school. ABC stands for Arts and Basic Curriculum. This means that our students receive arts integrated and arts infused instruction in all subject areas, not just the fine arts courses. Some examples of this include interactive notebooks in social studies, science teachers using music theory to instruct about waves in the ocean, and ELA students learning how to read a photograph or a work of art. Our students also experience the benefits that the arts offer in our visual and performing arts programs. Students have had the opportunity to interact with a variety of artists in residences, participate in arts-based field trips, district-sponsored gifted and talented programs, and through community partnerships with a variety of local art leagues. As an ABC school, we are able to apply for grant monies yearly to continue to provide a rich artistic and academic learning environment for all students.
At H.E. McCracken Middle School, we offer two Project Lead the Way courses. One of the two courses that we offer is called Computer Science for Innovators and Makers, and the other course is Green Architecture. I am proud of these two courses because they teach kids the basics of engineering. And Computer Science for Innovators, we talk about wireless technology, we go over and use the microbit, and with Green Architecture, we talk about what it means to be green. So I'm very proud of these two courses, and I think they're fundamental to what kids need to know moving into the 21st century.
We have a great community here. We have amazing teachers that work together to pull the strengths out of our students. I love to work with all of them collaboratively here at H.E. McCracken, and our students work well together. We try to find ways to help others in the community and just love being together and serving others.
I've gone to H.E. McCracken Middle School for the past 3 years, and overall it has been a great experience full of memories. One of my favorite memories at this school is me and my best friend and playing soccer at this school. Finally, one of the things I like about the school are all the teachers, how nice they are, and that they work as hard as they can to get the grades I want at the time I want them in. This school has been a big part of my life, and I'm glad I attended this school.
I've gone here for 3 years, and the teachers have helped me grow and teach me so many new things, as well as help me understand the curriculum, so I appreciate them so much and what they do for me.
What I like about the school is how students get rewarded on their grades and how they behave and how we show how we act. That's what I love so much about the school, and I love that the teachers are so cool and welcoming, and if you have any problem with any work, they'll help you.
We are very excited about Leader Me at H.E. McCracken Middle School. The Leader Me framework was created by Dr. Stephen Covey to focus on leadership, academic, and culture. One of my favorite quotes is communicating people's worth so clearly that they can see it in themselves. We want to prepare our students for life.
What I like about the school is that it gives many opportunities to the students here.
Good morning, Bulldog Nation, and welcome to the Bulldog Morning News Show.
For example, we have a news, anime building club, we have sports, and it just depends on the students. And I really like that it gives an opportunity to bring people out there and to get them out of their comfort zone so that they could feel welcome.
It's a great time to be a Bulldog.
In athletics at McCracken, we have 14 sports in the fall. We have football, cheer, and volleyball. Winter, we have boys and girls wrestling. We've got boys and girls basketball, and we have cheer. Spring, boys and girls soccer, boys and girls track, baseball, and softball, for a total of about 250 athletes over all 3 seasons.
As you can see, we're doing great things here at H.E. McCracken. We can't wait for you to be a part of Bulldog Nation, and we look forward to having you be a part of our family.